In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 accurate ways to erase parts of an image, graphic, or drawing in Canva. Whether you're cleaning up a photo, shaping a design, or fixing a sketch, these options will help you control exactly what stays and what goes, all without making the process complicated. Let's start with the background remover. Select your image, open Edit Image, and choose Background Remover, then Apply. Canva analyzes the picture and removes the background, keeping your main subject. This works best when there's a clear contrast between the subject and the background. If your image has lots of fine details like hair or fur, zoom in after applying and check the edges. If something looks off, a quick undo and a second pass often improves the result. Next is the Magic Eraser. With your image selected, go to Edit Image, pick Magic Eraser, then brush over the areas you want to remove and apply. Use slow, controlled strokes and start with a smaller brush size for precision. Magic Eraser is great for removing distractions like logos, blemishes, or small objects in a scene. If you erase too much, use Undo right away and try smaller highlights. You'll get cleaner results by working in short passes. For quick trims, the Crop tool is your best friend. Click the image, choose Crop, then drag the handles to shave off unwanted edges, and click Done. Cropping is non-destructive in Canva, which means you can always recrop later to reveal more of the image again. It's perfect for tidying composition, removing empty space, or centering your subject without altering the image itself. If you want to erase by shaping, use frames for simple masking. Go to Elements, search for Frames, and drag a frame onto your canvas. Place your image over it to mask unwanted parts using the shape of the frame. This is ideal for creating circles, rounded rectangles, or creative cutouts without manually erasing. You can reposition or resize the image within the frame to fine-tune what's visible and get a clean, professional look every time. Finally, for drawings and graphics, use the Draw tool and select the eraser. This lets you remove freehand parts of your sketch or design with complete control. Adjust the eraser size to match the level of detail you need, and zoom in for accuracy. It's especially useful when you're refining hand-drawn lines or cleaning up shapes. And that's it. You now know 5 accurate ways to erase in Canva. Don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips.